I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by deciding the single destination for the QR visiting card. Pick either a vCard file or a single URL. Once decided, gather the exact contact fields you want embedded: full name, phone, email, and optionally website or address. Make sure your generator supports vCard 3.0 or URL encoding and can export high-resolution PNG/SVG. Now open the generator, choose the data type, and enter the fields accurately so the code resolves cleanly on scan. Next, configure encoding and appearance so the code scans reliably and matches your card design. First, set error correction to M or Q if you plan a logo. This lets the symbol tolerate damage. Then choose vCard encoding or a short URL to reduce data density. Longer data forces larger QR versions that scan worse. Adjust colors to ensure high contrast and preserve a quiet zone of 4 modules. Once done, preview and validate with multiple scanner apps to confirm readability. Finally, export and integrate the QR into your visiting card layout. Export a high-resolution PNG or SVG at 300/600 dpi and place it at a minimum of 2 by 2 centimeters on your card, larger if you use dense data. Print a proof and test scanning across devices, distances, and lighting to ensure universal readability. If a scan fails, make sure to switch to higher error correction, shorten the encoded data, or increase physical size. These fixes resolve most printing or scanning issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.